Hi there, Chris here. I have this awesome Pac-Lock that Lockpickingsgal sent me. I mean, this thing is totally awesome. There's a super cool logo on here that her niece designed, and then she got it from Pac-Lock with her logo there. It is a very cool Pac-Lock. It is a very cool beading, depending on how you look at it. Works wonderfully. Nice snap. So I'm going to see if I can get in here. It's a tricky little lock. This one in particular feels, to me anyway, trickier than like your standard 1100. I use top of keyway tension, light tension, and just sort of tickle things and see if I can't get some feedback, get a false set. Wow. Okay. That's probably the fastest I've ever done that. Wow. That, everything was right. Okay, so, wait a minute. That's not a Phillips. That is a Allen wrench. Let's see. Ooh, I might have the right size. Yeah, there we go. Very tight. Must have a lot of Loctite on there. Oops. Boy, that was quick. I have picked this before, but certainly not that quick. I must have done everything, just hit everything just right. Oh, no, oh yes, there's a ton of Loctite on there. Okay, so that comes off, that comes off. Yeah, that was not representative on how hard it usually is. So there's the inside. Okay, this little guy. Can we open? Yeah, I'm gonna shut it, close it back up. And find a wrench, if I can. Reach around here. Suk, are you excited? Huh, Suk? Yeah, she's in Power Saver. All right. So if I get this just right and pivot it, obviously I'm not doing it just right. You just pivot that thing off of there. Almost. Ooh. I think we got it. Yeah. Okay. All right, get up there. All right, let's turn the core. The key is cut for 6. Let's see. Felt like there was 6 in there. You know, fully pinned. All right, there we go. Coming through. Yes, all pinned. And they all look kind of reduced. Or it's beveled on the openings, one or the other. So everybody had to be picked. 1 and 5, not so much. 1, 2, let's start here. I don't have to count. 1, 2. All right. 2, 3. Oh, this is working good. He said 4. Don't drop it. Might have it really a little sticky with grease. All right. So this is how this is. I have tweezers. The little one is the 6th one. Okay, these key pins are all mostly serrated. Most of them are serrated. 1, 3, 4, actually half and half. 1, 3, 5 are serrated. 6, I'm sorry, 1, 4, 5. 1, 3, 2 are not serrated. Okay. Let's see here. Get out the shim, and let's see if we can. All right, 1 is serrated. 2 is not serrated as well. 3 is serrated. 4, come on. I can't really see in there. There we go. Actually, I want this way. It almost looks like a mushroom. It's mushroom-like. Maybe I should have my smaller tweezers. And that's all serrated. Whoa. And 6 is a standard. Okay. And all tiny little springs. All right, let's take a close-up. Oops, sorry. Close-up of these guys. And the plug, or core. Oh, that's as close as it gets. Now, are we in focus? You can see that little bevel there. So this guy right here, this looks, it's a spool, but it almost looks a little bit like a mushroom spool. Once again, here's the key. Great bidding. I want to thank Lockpickingsgal very, very much for sending me this absolutely awesome pack lock. And I never picked this style of the pack lock before. Very cool. I'll zoom out. Thanks for watching. Hit the like. Hey, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Certainly leave a comment, say hey, and we will see you next time.